Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off location on BeReal app. So guys, before going to the app, make sure that you already have an account on BeReal app. Now just go to your BeReal app. Now tap on take your BeReal. And now take your BeReal. And guys, now tap on the location beside the my friends only option. And now tap on location off. So guys, as you can see that your location is turned off and now your location won't be shared with your friends or any persons. So guys, that's how you can turn off location on BeReal app very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.